Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is recommendation system. So let's start the video. You just click in your browser and search what is recommendation system. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just click in this first website, what is recommendation system. When you click, the website page will be opened. First of all, we discuss recommendation system. A recommendation system or recommender system is a class of machine learning that is used to data, help predict, narrow down and find what people are looking for among an exponentially growing number of options. What is recommendation system? A recommendation system is an artificial intelligence of AI algorithm usually associated with machine learning that is uses to big data suggested with the recommendation additional product to consumers. This can be has to based on your various criteria including past purchase, search history, demographic information and other factors. Recommender system is highly useful for those people who are used to discover product or services or be might for otherwise not have to found their own. Recommender are the system are trained for the understand that is performance, previous decision and characteristics of the peoples and product using data gathered about their interacts. This is include impression, click and like purchases. Because of their capabilities, these are predict and consumers' interest for the desired and high personalized level. Recommended system are favorite with the contact and product provider. They can drive consumers just about your product and services that is interest them. From book for your videos, health classes and clothing. Types of recommendation system. While there are a vast numbers of recommender algorithm and technologies, most of fall in the broad categories collaborative filtering, content filtering and context filtering. Collaborative filtering. Algorithm recommended items. This is filtering parts based on your preference information used for the many users. This is approach use similarity for your user performance behavior. Given previous interactions between user and item, recommender algorithm learn about your predict future and interaction. These are recommender system built in your model form of your user's past behavior, such as item purchased previously to rating give and items that is similar decision by other users. The idea that is one of possible made a similar decision and purchase in the past. Like movies choices, they are highly probability. These are agree for additional future selections. For example, if a collaborative filtering recommender knows you have to another users share similar taste and movies, it is might recommended a movie that you know about there are usually already likes. Content filtering. By contrast, used for the attributes of a features and it is the item of contact part and recommended other items similar to the users of performance. This is approach is based on similarity of items, user and features. Given information about a user is the item, they have to interact it with users, category and restaurant. These are average reviews of the movies, model, likelihood and interaction. For example, it is the contact filtering recommender sees you like the movies, you have got mail, sleepless and settles. It might be recommended another movies you have to want and get a forecast such as you have to versus in your Volanco. Hybrid recommender system is combined for the advantages that are the type above created a more comprehensive recommending system. Context filtering. Include users' conceptual information or recommendation process. Netflix spoke for the NVIDIA and GTC about your making gather recommendations by forming your recommendation as a conceptual sequence prediction. This is the approach of sequence conceptual user actions. This is the current context, the predict probabilities and next actions. In the Netflix examples given for the sequence of each user, the country of device data and when you have to watch movies, they are trained to model predict for your watch to next. Use cases and applications. E-commerce and try personalization. Imagination that you have to use already purchase a scarf. Why not you have to matching you have to looking for you by completed. These are the feature that is often implemented by the means AI based on your algorithm and complete any look. You might also like sections, e-commerce platform, Amazon, Walmart, Target and many others. Media and entertainment. AI based on your recommender engines that analyze the individual purchases that is detected pattern that will be up for your provide content suggestion will you have to most likely match and her interest. This is what Google and Facebook activities apply to recommended ads. This is the Netflix does behind the scenes and recommended movies and TV shows.